Hey, what's going on, guys? Welcome back to the trading desk, where we talk about the daily movers in the market, specifically my trades, why I took them, why I thought they were a good trade or bad trades, the lessons I learned, and the overall state of the market today. So today was a good green day. I am happy as well. Like it really was a fantastic day. Not only because it was a green day, but because I took the right trades. The same thing as yesterday. I did give a bit of profit off here at the end, which I'm a little bit salty about, but it's okay. I didn't give back that much because I was trading with a bit of a lower size, but I think the profit that I gave back was overtrading. I should have just walked away. It was good. So right now MCVT, I'm sorry, is kind of popping up. That was the trade I took right there. I thought that it should break 450, but we rejected and I sold immediately before it went down. But it's fine. Lost $20. I was sitting around $70 on the day. Right now, $50 again, my daily goal, and all of that. So wait, all of that is made on a single stock. FIO. FHIO. FHIO hits the scanners at let's see, at 150, right? Let's go. So on 145 it hits the scanners, announces agreement with US manufacturing source for drug substance. Basically, that it held an agreement. So I'm not really sure about this. Like, it's not like the best news in the world, but it's not the best news in the world that it hit an agreement of some kind, but it's fine, right? So I'm watching this stock popping up, going down. I'm like, it rejected here at 334, so that will be resistance, and we kind of start getting back up. I did take this trade right there. So when it went down, I bought at basically 304 here, right? 304. It went up back down 304, and kind of surges up. I sell right there at 328, right? So that was a small win right there. Great. Waiting. So it kind of like lingers on, but it is climbing. Like, this open red here, the volume is low because it's a little bit off. See how the green, the buying volume is high, but the selling volume is low and still increasing. So I'm like, okay, I'm gonna get in for the break of 334, so the support, right? So I start buying. I buy as it starts here, going 330, 330, 333, 333 again, 200 shares, floop, it goes up. 352, sell a bit, sell half, $100. Sell 100 shares, sorry, get a little profit, still waiting here, waiting for it to make a winner. It holds the resistance level, right? It just dips just for a second, holds, goes up. When I saw this, that it held again with a double bottom here. I knew it was gonna go. Then it surges up to 415. And it was going to drop a little bit. I didn't want to sell immediately at 415 because it could have gone higher, but it kind of flushes here. It went out to around 4. It was holding 4, and then it flushes, and as it was flushing, I sold, but I did get filled at 317 here, 377, sorry, 377, which is still good. Made $77 on the day, and it was a great profit, great trade. I realized that it was gonna break the resistance level, bought before, waiting, sold a little bit, half the profit, and the other half I let it go, right, for a big winner. There was another trade, Octo, that I took earlier in the day, but it was an immediate sell-off because I took it at just around 1 o'clock. So I took this trade, I think, right here, yeah. So as it was dropping, there was resistance here at 230. So I was kind of hoping that on this pullback here it would have held because it did go up. So I did get in right here as try to make a new high, but then start flushing down. I just sold immediately because I knew it was kind of a risky trade, and I really didn't want it to basically lose a lot of money, right? The point is the volume was high and increasing. Um, the previous candle, the red one, was pretty low. The MACD was open. The relative volume, as you can see here, was great. The float was great. The only thing it didn't have news, so it was a B plus quality setup, let's say. But I took it, just a little bit of a risky trade. Got in, got out. Last year at 230 basically. Took this trade. It was just a bad trade, to be honest. I shouldn't have even taken it. It was kind of rising. It had this increasing volume, and I was like, okay, breaks 450, and we go rip through the highs. 50 shares, it flushes. I sell immediately. Got filled at 412. It's fine. So sitting at $50 in the plus. Great day. I mean, fantastic. Like even if the wins are not that big, the thing is that I traded the right stocks, right? And even on the losses, I'm kind of seeing that I'm following my strategy more. So I'm selling immediately, right? I'm not holding, I'm not hoping that it will go up, right? Like, I know if it works immediately. If it doesn't work, I know you should sell almost immediately, right? I'm happy about that. Great trades today. I wasn't expecting there to be any news because it's Friday, but it did hit the news, hit the scanners, got in, got out. Great trades. I mean, really good trades. The lessons that I learned today was just persistence, right? You gotta pull through, you gotta hold on. Definitely a surprising day because I really wasn't hoping, or I really wasn't expecting anything. The only thing that I would say today, that another lesson that I learned, was to walk away. Like, yeah, this trade MCVT, like, it didn't have news. I was kind of feeling a little bit happy about the other trade. I was like, maybe I can squeeze in a little bit more, but rejected. Great that I sold immediately. That was a good sign, but still could have been bad. If I went in with a little bit more shares, I would have lost a lot of money. I would have been a little bit more angry, but good. It's great that I didn't go in with a lot of money, first, and second, that I sold immediately, but I shouldn't even have taken the trade. Like, it was already up 4 candles, didn't even have a pullback. Like, I should have just waited to see, but there we go. That's a little bit of greed for you. So my lesson for today was definitely to take a step back. Like, actually just trade the stock that and setups that you like. Do you know? Okay, so on this MCVT, I should have bought right there. This was the buying point. So it had resistance here at 350. It started curling back up, literally the same way the previous stock, FHIO, I just showed. I should have bought right there, 341, as it was gonna break through and rip up, and sold here. That would have been a great profit, right? I was too late, and only rookies buy when the stock is moving up. So thank you guys for watching. The lessons I learned, I will repeat right now. So don't be greedy, and if the stock is already moving, you're already too late. Thank you guys for watching, and over this weekend I'll make a video about the strategy that I trade and what I've learned. Basically just I wouldn't say a PowerPoint presentation. Yeah, probably I'll do something like that. We'll see. Like basically an overview, my scanners, my setup, what I do, why I trade the stocks that I do, and what do I look for when I trade a stock. I'm still a beginner. I wouldn't say that you should take my advice or anything. I'm just telling my story, and basically this is just for me, right? Just for me to learn. Thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.